On this episode, we're going to focus a little bit more on my On this episode, we'll be focusing a little bit more on my 911. It's kind of a continuation of the last video where I was installing the front lower spoiler. And then we'll move on to putting on the wheels with the new tires. And I'll take you along with me to an open house event in Rancho Cucamonga. From the footage that you just saw, you can imagine how excited I was to get all that on my camera and be around that type of atmosphere. So I brought my drone where I was able to fly it at an elevated position and cover a lot of ground to get some good footage. I also brought my Nikon, so that's what you'll see on the next slides. On the next episode, I'll be sharing with you the progress I'm making with my 911. The last several months I've been gathering parts like a new front bumper, rear bumper, diffuser, side skirts, and a number of other things in preparation for Car Week in Monterey. So I'll be going there with a couple friends and we're really looking forward to it. So I'll share with you the progress on that. I'm also going to try to focus on car features. I've had a little schedule changes last minute, so it's kind of difficult to get together and shoot a car. So I'll try to focus on that. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.